drums up on the mountain, the roots are growing, the fire is burning forever and ever. I was walking through the valley late at night, searching for a place where everything feels right. The stars above were shining with a holy light, guiding every step along the ancient right. Many roads appeared before my eyes, some were built on greed and countless lies. But I kept moving toward the sunrise, following the truth beyond the skies. The elders spoke of days gone by, when kings and warriors reached the sky. Their wisdom never truly dies, it lives within the people's cries. Roots of Zion, growing stronger, carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with eternal fire. Every heartbeat, every song reminds us where we all belong. Hear the children singing in the street, dancing to the rhythm of the beat. Every soul and every heart shall meet in a place where love and peace complete. No matter where we come from today, the light of Jah can show the way. When darkness tries to make us stray, the roots remain and never sway. Feel the vibration underground, a sacred force within the sound. The bassline shaking all around, spreading blessings town to town. Roots of Zion, growing stronger, carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with eternal fire. Every heartbeat, every song reminds us where calling in the distance. Hear the drums up on the mountain. The roots are growing. The fire is burning forever and ever. I was walking through the valley late at night, searching for a place where everything feels right. The stars above were shining with the holy light, guiding every step along the ancient rite. Many roads appeared before my eyes. Some were built on greed and countless lies, but I kept moving toward the sunrise, following the truth beyond the skies. The elders spoke of days gone by, when kings and warriors reached the sky. Their wisdom never truly dies. It lives within the people's cries. Roots of Zion, growing stronger, carry me a little longer, through the storm and through the rain. Jah will heal the deepest pain. Roots of Zion, rising higher, burning with. Oh na 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 na, yeah yeah. Feel the bass tonight, under the moonlight. One love, one heart. Oh na na na. Oh. Walking down the shoreline slowly, ocean whispering stories to me. Golden sunset in your eyes, like a dream across the skies. Every step we take together feels like summer lasts forever. No more worries, no more pain, only dancing in the rain. The rhythm moves beneath our feet, heartbeat and bassline meet. Every wave that touches sand feels like holding your hand. Tonight the stars are shining bright, everything is feeling right. Let the music guide our soul. Let the bassline take control. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Deep inside your soul, you feel the bass in your heart tonight. You feel everything gonna be alright. You feel the love in the moonlight glow. You feel let your spirit flow. You feel the rhythm inside your soul. You feel never let this feeling go. You feel the fire burning bright and true. You feel I'm feeling you. People gather all around, moving gently with the sound. No more walls to keep apart. Only music, only heart. Every smile becomes a light, guiding us throughout the night. Every voice becomes a song, singing where we all belong, far away from stress and fear. All the good vibrations here. Every dream begins to rise like a bird across the skies when the world feels cold and gray. Music washes it away like the sunrise after rain, bringing joy again and again. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Deep inside your soul, you feel the bass in your heart tonight. You feel everything gonna be alright. You feel the love in the moonlight glow. You feel let your spirit flow. You feel the rhythm inside your soul. You feel never let this feeling go. You feel the fire burning bright and true. You feel I'm feeling you. Oh na na na, bass rolling low, skanking guitar, moonlight glow. I remember when we met, moments I can't forget, like a melody so sweet. Every memory repeats, through the highs and through the lows, like the river our pain into a force. Now we're stronger than before, opening another door with the rhythm as our guide. We'll keep moving side by side. Raise your hands into the sky. Let your worries drift on by. Feel the vibration in your chest. This is where we feel our best. One love, one dream, one heart, one team. Together we can shine like the stars that brightly align. No matter where we go, let the good vibes always flow. Feel the bass in your heart tonight. You feel everything gonna be alright. You feel the love in the moonlight glow. You feel, let your spirit flow. You feel the rhythm inside your soul. You feel, never let this feeling go. You feel the fire burning bright and true. You feel, I'm feeling you. You feel the music in the air tonight. You feel everything is shining bright. You feel the world becoming something new. You feel, I'm feeling you. Oh na 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 na, feel the bass, feel the love. Oh na na na, under the moonlight above. One love, one heart, one rhythm. Forever, you feel it, you feel it, you feel. Fade away with the bassline. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, job vibes tonight. The sun goes down, the fire burns bright. We gather together underneath the moonlight. The sound system rises, reaching the sky. Every heartbeat moving as the rhythm flies. From Kingston streets to islands afar, every soul shining like a reggae star. The bass line rolling like waves on the sea. Tonight we're living wild and free. Raise your hands, feel the vibration. One love flowing through every nation. No matter where you come from tonight, we're united in the music and light. Jah vibes tonight, we're feeling alright. Roots and bass carrying us through the night. Jah vibes tonight, under moonlight skies. One love forever, let your spirit rise. Jah vibes tonight, hear the sound so strong. Everybody singing the same sweet song. Jah vibes tonight, no fear, no fight. Just peace and love in the reggae light. The speaker tower standing tall and proud, sending sweet vibrations into the crowd. Every drum beat shaking the ground below. Every smiling face glowing in the show. The palm trees dance with the ocean breeze, moving in rhythm with effortless ease. The stars above keep watching the scene. The most beautiful night we've ever seen. Raise your voice and sing along. This reggae feeling makes us strong. Every heartbeat finds its place. Together moving in amazing grace. Jah vibes tonight, we're feeling alright. Roots and bass carrying us through the night. Jah vibes across the shore, making us dance and ask for more. Children laughing, elders smile, the positive vibe stretch mile after mile. A celebration of life and soul, music making everybody whole. Hey, 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 job vibes tonight. Hey, hey, everything's alright. Hey, hey, roots and bass unite. Hey, hey, keep the fire bright. Hey, hey, job vibes tonight. Hey, hey, under moonlight skies. Hey, hey, one love forever, one love forever. Job vibes tonight, we're feeling alright. Roots and bass carrying us through the night. Job vibes tonight, under moonlight skies. One love forever, let your spirit rise. Job vibes tonight, hear the sound so strong. Everybody singing the same sweet song. Job vibes tonight, no fear, no fight, just peace and love in the reggae light. The fire burns low, the stars still shine. The memories remain in every mind. Roots and bass forever, we'll sing job vibes tonight and everything. One love, one heart, one sound, one life. Job vibes tonight, job vibes tonight. Roots and bass forever, good night. Yeah, man. Roots and culture, dubwise vibration from the island to the world. Listen to the bassline calling. Oh, yeah. Ba-da-dum, 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 ba-dum, dum, dum. Oh. Get-it-day. Whoa, whoa, yeah, man. Wake up in the morning with the sunshine glow. Feel the ocean breeze and the rhythm flow. Every little struggle gonna fade away when the reggae music starts to play. People from the east and people from the west, searching for peace and a little happiness. One love rising in the air tonight, guided by the moon and the morning light. The streets may be rough, times may be hard, still we keep moving with our hopeful hearts. Every beat dropping like a healing rain, washing away all the fear and pain. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Love wise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Palm trees swaying underneath the stars. Music drifting from the neighborhood bars. Children laughing while the elders smile. Everybody dancing island style. No matter where you're coming from today, the music always finds a special way to bring us together under one sound, where peace and unity can be found. The drum keeps talking, the bass replies, like ancient stories beneath the skies. Generation after generation strong, passing down the roots through every song. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Love wise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Dubwise, dubwise. Heavy bass rolling through the night. Heavy bass shining like a light. Heavy bass Simple things can lead us on our way. A friendly smile and a helping hand can build a better world across the land. Listen to the heartbeat of the earth below. Feel the natural energy grow. Mountains, rivers, forests and seas moving together in perfect harmony. The rhythm is medicine for the mind, leaving negativity behind. Every speaker box and every sound spreads good vibrations all around. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Double wise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Ta-da! Yeah. Ta-da! Tonight we gather by the seaside flame. Different faces, but we're all the same. Sharing stories underneath the moon, singing melodies and dancing tunes. The bass line travels like a rolling wave, giving courage to the weak and brave. Every heartbeat finds a place to be inside this reggae family. Raise your hands and let the music lead, planting every positive seed. What we give is what we get in return. Lessons that the roots have helped us learn. Bass is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Double wise spirit reaching to the skies. Bass is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Bass is the message, bass. Roots vibes forever. Bass is the message. One love, one heart, one heart. Bass is the message. Fade out. As the sunrise paves the morning sky, we remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy and light. The rhythm speaks a universal tongue. Old and young become forever young. Every journey has a winding road. Every soul carries a different load. But together we can rise above, guided by respect and endless love. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel a vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Double wise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. The bass is the message, roots vibes forever. Ooh. Brapa, brapa, brapa. Roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever. As the sunrise paints the morning sky, we remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy and yeah, man. Roots and culture, dubwise vibration from the island to the world. Listen to the bassline calling. Oh, oh. up in the morning with the sunshine glow. Feel the ocean breeze and the rhythm flow. Every little struggle gonna fade away when the reggae music starts to play. People from the east and people from the west, searching for peace and a little happiness. One love rising in the air tonight, guided by the moon and the morning light. The streets may be rough, times may be hard, still we keep moving with our hopeful hearts. Every beat dropping like a healing rain, washing away all the fear and pain. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Double wise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Palm trees swaying underneath the stars, music drifting from the neighborhood bars. Children laughing while the elders smile, everybody dancing island style. No matter where you're coming from today, the music always finds a special way to bring us together under one sound, where peace and unity can be found. The drum keeps talking, the bass replies, like ancient stories beneath the skies. Generation after generation strong, passing down the roots through every song. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel the vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Double wise spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. Dubwise, heavy bass rolling through the night. Heavy bass shining like a light. Heavy bass deep inside your soul. Heavy bass making broken people whole. We don't need riches to enjoy this day. The simple things can lead us on our way. A friendly smile and a helping hand can build a better world across the land. Listen to the heartbeat of the earth below. Feel the natural energy grow. Mountains, rivers, forests and seas moving together in perfect harmony. The rhythm is medicine for the mind, leaving negativity behind. Every speaker box and every sound spreads good vibrations all around. This is face the morning sky. We remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy and light. The rhythm speaks a universal tongue. Old and young become forever young. Every journey has a winding road, every soul carries a different load, but together we can rise above, guided by respect and endless love. This is the message, hear it loud and clear. Feel a vibration moving everywhere. Roots and culture standing strong and wise. Double-wide spirit reaching to the skies. This is the message, let your worries go. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit flow. One love, one heart, everybody sing. Feel the reggae power in everything. This is the message, roots vibes forever. Roots vibes forever, roots vibes forever, roots vibes forever. As the sunrise paints the morning sky, we remember every reason why. Music keeps the human spirit free and opens eyes so we can truly see. No border standing in the way tonight, only positive energy. Yeah, man. Roots revival, feel the vibration. From the mountains to the sea. Oh, oh, oh. One love, one heart, pure roots, reggae dope. Morning sunlight on the shore brings a feeling like never before. Golden rays upon the land, peace and love are close at hand. Hear the birds begin to sing, nature dancing with everything. Every leaf and every tree moving with the melody. Walking slowly by the tide with the ocean by my side, feeling freedom in the air. Knowing love is everywhere, no more rushing, no more fear, only positive vibes appear. Let the music lead the way to a brighter, better day. Your roots reggae up tonight, shining like a guiding light. Feel the bass line in your soul, let the positive take control. Pure roots reggae up so free, flowing like the endless sea. One love rising from above, living in eternal love. Children playing in the sand, building dreams with gentle hands. Laughing underneath the sky, watching seagulls flying high. Old men sitting by the bay, sharing stories of yesterday, teaching lessons wise and true about the things that matter to every nation. Every race can find peace in this embrace. Different voices, different songs, together we are strong. Let the rhythm break the walls, hear the spirit when it calls. No division, no disguise, only truth before our eyes. Oh, pure roots reggae up tonight, shining like a guiding light. Feel the bass line in your soul, let the positive take control. Pure roots reggae up so free, flowing like the endless sea. One love rising from above, living in eternal love. Heavy bass begins to roll, send a fire through the soul. Sound system shaking the ground, spreading goodness all around. blessings from the Lord. Palm trees swaying left and right underneath the moonlit night. Stars are dancing in the sky like a dream that cannot die. Let the worries fade away, leave the darkness yesterday. Every step a brand new start with reggae living in the heart. Dub-wise, roots-wise, feel the echo, feel the sound. Bassline moving through the valley, bassline moving through the sea, bassline moving through the city, bassline setting people free. Echoes falling from the mountains, echoes floating through the air. Every vibration carries healing, every vibration shows we care. Long ago our father sang songs of freedom, loud they rang. Through the struggles and the pain, hope continued to remain. Now we carry on the flame, though the world may try to change. Roots remain beneath the ground, strong whenever truth is found. Listen to the beating drum, calling everyone to come. Gather round and sing along, unity will keep us strong. Every dream begins with faith, every journey has a place. Keep your spirit shining bright, even through the darkest night. Your roots reggae up tonight, oh, shining like a guiding light. Feel the bass line in your soul, let the positive take control. Your roots reggae up so free, flowing like the endless sea. One love rising from above, living in eternal love. When the evening starts to fall, hear the distant music call. Lantern lights begin to glow, creating magic down below. Friends together, side by side, sharing laughter far and wide. No one standing all alone, every heart has found a home. Gentle breeze across the bay carries every sound away, yet the feeling always stays, guiding us through all our days. Take a moment, close your eyes, see the beauty of the skies, feel the rhythm deep within. Let the healing now begin. One world, one people, one destiny. Yo, no matter where you come from, no matter where you've been, the music knows your story, the music knows your dream. No matter what you're facing, no matter what you've done, there's always room for healing underneath the sun. Rivers flowing to the sea, just like you and just like me. Every pathway finds its course, guided by a greater force. When the road becomes too long, let the music be a song. When the burden feels too great, love can open every gate. Hear the voices in the wind reminding us to begin another chapter, another day, another chance to find a way. Keep the fire burning bright, keep believing in the light. Let the roots remain alive, helping every soul survive. Your roots reggae up tonight, shining like a guiding light. Feel the bass line in your soul, let the positive take control. Your roots reggae up so free, flowing like the endless sea. One love rising from above, living in eternal love. Ocean waves upon the shore, calling softly evermore. Bassline fading with the tide, but the roots remain inside. One love, one heart, pure roots reggae up. Morning sunlight on the shore brings a feeling like never before. Golden rays upon the land, peace and love are close at hand. Heaven words we do to sing. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibration, from the mountains to the ocean, from one heartbeat to another. This is the deep pulse connection. softly through the midnight air. A hidden force connecting everywhere, from the city lights to the countryside, through every valley, every rising tide. A pulse awakens beneath our feet, moving every soul with a steady beat. No border standing in its way, no walls can keep the sound away. The rhythm travels far and wide, like a river flowing with the tide. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, a vibration of unity, shining like a light. Deep pulse connection, stronger than before. Every heartbeat shines together, open every door. The bassline moves like a gentle wave, calling the lost and calling the brave. Every echo tells a story old, more precious than silver or gold. The drums keep speaking their sacred tongue, songs of the elders forever sung, carrying wisdom through the years, turning pain into strength and tears. Listen closely and you'll hear a message ringing crystal clear. Love is stronger than the fear, and the answer's always near. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, a vibration of unity, shining like a light. Deep pulse connection, stronger than before. Every heartbeat joins together, open every door. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the bassline roll. Oh, 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 oh. Let the good vibes flow. Echoes in the distance, thunder underground. Every soul awakening to the universal sound. Beneath the moon and stars above, we gather here in peace and love. Different faces, different names, yet the rhythm burns the same. Every step and every move, every groove inside the groove creates a bond we cannot see but feel within eternally. The speaker shakes the midnight sky, sending messages flying high through the darkness, through the haze, lighting up forgotten ways. Can you feel it? Can you hear it? Moving through the atmosphere. Can you feel it? Can you hear it? The vibration drawing near. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, a vibration of unity, shining like a light. Deep pulse connection, stronger than before. Every heartbeat joins together, open every door. One heartbeat, one rhythm, one vibration, one people, one spirit, one destination. No matter where we come from, no matter where we go, the pulse remains inside us, a truth we've always known. Hey, yeah. Deep pulse connection. Hey, yeah. Universal vibration. Deep pulse connection. Hey, yeah. Positive sensation. Wow. Morning comes but still it stays, guiding us through all our days. A frequency beyond the sound, a deeper truth that can be found. When the road becomes unclear, when the shadows start to appear, the pulse reminds us to believe in all the wonders we can achieve. Every challenge, every climb becomes a lesson over time, and every bass note rolling deep awakens dreams we thought asleep. Deep pulse connection, flowing through the night, grows softer, the echoes drift away, but the connection remains inside every heartbeat, inside every memory, inside every dream. Deep pulse connection, forever, forever, forever.